Hi, this is Jim Lang with Intellecta Statistics. I just wanted to show you how to quickly do a duration analysis. Basically, how do I find the number of days between an admission date and a discharge date? And basically, you just want to have your admission date in column A, your discharge date in column B, and then basically just put that formula in column C and hit enter. And I'll show you how this is done. So here are my two admission and discharge dates. And then in here, I just start typing in, equal, okay, date diff, okay. And then open parentheses, A1, comma, B1, comma, and then open parentheses, and then D, close parentheses, and then tie it together. So it's 9 days difference there. And then to do the entire set, you just double click here in this corner. And here are your dates between admission and discharge. That's it. Simple. Enjoy.